What if I told you that you're just 3 decisions away from completely transforming your financial life? I'm not talking about getting rich overnight or some magic formula. I'm talking about something way more powerful. Building real wealth with wisdom and creating a life of genuine abundance. And look, I know you've probably heard 1,000 promises out there, but stick with me until the end of this video because what I'm about to share here might change your perspective on money forever. Let's do this. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're diving deep into a topic that everyone thinks about but few people truly understand: financial abundance. And when I talk about abundance, it's not just about having money in your account. It's about creating a prosperity mindset, making smart decisions, and building solid wealth that'll give you freedom of choice in life. You know that feeling of waking up without worrying if you'll have money to pay the bills at the end of the month? Being able to help the people you love without stressing? Achieving your dreams without that knot in your stomach? That's what we're talking about. And if you're here watching this video, you've already taken the first step. You're seeking knowledge. And knowledge, my friend, is the first pillar of wealth. Before we continue, if you're into content about personal and financial development, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. That way, you won't miss any tips that can help you on this journey. Cool? All right, let's go. Let's start by destroying a myth. Wealth isn't luck. Sure, there are people who win the lottery or inherit fortunes, but true financial abundance is built brick by brick, decision by decision. And the good news? You have total control over those decisions. The first thing you need to understand is that abundance starts in your head. That's right. Your mindset about money was shaped by your upbringing, by things you heard as a kid, by experiences you had. How many times have you heard that money doesn't grow on trees, or that rich people are crooks? These limiting beliefs just sit there, deep in your mind, sabotaging your actions without you even realizing it. The first step to building wealth with wisdom is reprogramming that mindset. You need to understand that money is a tool, an energy that can flow into your life when you position yourself correctly. There's nothing wrong with wanting to be prosperous. Actually, the more abundant you are, the more you can contribute to the world around you. Now, let's get to the practical side of things. The foundation of any wealth building has 3 fundamental pillars: earning, saving, and multiplying. Sounds simple, right? But most people mess up in the execution. First pillar, earning. You need to generate income. And here's a truth nobody likes to hear. If you're depending on a single income source, you're vulnerable. The world has changed. The person who works 40 years at the same job and retires comfortably is becoming rarer and rarer. You need to diversify your income streams. It could be a side gig, your own business, investments that generate dividends, an online course, consulting, freelancing. The important thing is not to put all your eggs in one basket. And look, it doesn't have to be anything fancy at first. Start with what you have, with what you know how to do. Got a skill? Monetize it. Got knowledge about something? Teach it. The internet has democratized opportunities. Today, anyone with a phone can start building extra income. Second pillar, saving. And this is where one of the biggest mistakes I see people making lives. You know that whole, at the end of the month, whatever's left over I'll save thing? Forget it. Nothing ever gets left over. The secret is reversing the equation. When you receive your salary or any money, the first thing you do is pay yourself. Set aside a percentage, even if it's just 10%, and save it before anything else. Treat this like a mandatory bill, like water or electricity. And it doesn't have to be a huge amount. Consistency beats quantity. It's better to save $100 every single month religiously than to save 1,000 once and then go 6 months without saving anything. Financial discipline is a muscle you need to train every day. But attention, saving isn't leaving money sitting in your checking account losing to inflation. That brings me to the third pillar, multiplying. Your investments are your little soldiers working for you while you sleep. This is where money starts working for you, not the other way around. And I know a lot of people are afraid to invest. They think it's for rich people, that it's complicated. that they'll lose everything. But check this out. Today, there are safe and accessible investments for any budget. You can start with treasury bonds with $30. With $50, you can already buy shares of good companies. The important thing is to start. Here's a golden tip. Study before you invest. Don't put your money in anything you don't understand. Read, watch videos, take courses. The financial market isn't rocket science, but it's also not a casino where you just bet and hope. You need strategy, patience, and knowledge. Speaking of strategy, let me tell you about the rule that changed my financial game, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to essential needs: housing, food, transportation, basic bills. 30% to your wants and lifestyle, hanging out with friends, streaming services, hobbies, and 20% to your future, investments, emergency fund, building wealth. Of course, everyone needs to adapt it to their reality, but having a North Star makes all the difference. You stop spending on autopilot and start having control over every dollar that comes in and goes out. Now, an important pause here. If this content is making sense to you, drop a like on the video. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information. And share it with that friend or family member who's also looking to change their financial life. We're in this together. Back to it. There's a powerful concept that very few people apply. Compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's basically this. You earn interest on interest. At first it seems slow, but over time it becomes a giant snowball. Imagine you save $300 a month investing at an average rate of 10% per year. In 10 years, you won't just have $36,000. You'll have over $60,000 because of compound interest. In 20 years, over $200,000. In 30, over $600,000. All this with $300 a month. Now imagine if you increase that amount as your income grows. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investments. The earlier you start, the less effort you need. That's why you need to stop procrastinating. Start today, even if it's with a little bit. But wealth with wisdom isn't just about accumulating money. It's about creating balance. What good is having millions in the bank if you destroyed your health, lost your family, and have no peace? True abundance is holistic. It's having financial resources, but also free time, healthy relationships, physical and mental health, life purpose. One thing I've learned over the years is that money amplifies who you are. If you're generous, with money you'll be more generous. If you're stingy, with money you'll be more stingy. That's why it's so important to work on your character and your values while you build your wealth. And look, along the way you'll encounter obstacles. There'll be tough months. There'll be investments that don't perform as expected. There'll be unexpected things that mess up your planning. That's normal. It's part of the process. The important thing is not to give up, adjust your course, and keep going. So, recapping everything we covered here, financial abundance starts with mindset. You need to free yourself from limiting beliefs about money and understand that prosperity is your birthright. Then, you need to act on the 3 pillars. Earn more by diversifying your income streams, save with discipline by paying yourself first, and multiply by investing smartly and consistently. Remember, I talked at the beginning about 3 decisions that can change your financial life. First decision, commit to your financial growth starting today. Second decision, create a realistic plan and start executing it, even if in small steps. Third decision, maintain consistency and have patience with the process. True wealth isn't built in days, weeks, or months. It's built over years, with daily habits, conscious decisions, and an abundance mindset. And I guarantee you this, if you apply what I've shared here with seriousness and dedication, in a few years, you'll look back and won't believe the transformation you've created. You have all the potential you need inside you. Now it's just a matter of activating that potential and taking those first steps. And remember, knowledge without action is worthless. So get out there and put at least one thing into practice today. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. Every week, there's new content about personal development, finances, and success mindset. And tell me in the comments, what's going to be your first action after watching this video? I'll read them all and respond to as many as I can. Big hug, and see you next time. Focus, discipline, and abundance.